Hello again. It doesn't seem 2 minutes since I was talking to you last. Right, if this rain keeps up I'll be abandoning my little day out and going home. Can't film in the rain, can you? Well, you can, it is waterproof, but I can't speak because you have to disconnect the microphone to make it waterproof. So it'd be quiet and you miss me talking. Wouldn't that be awful? Right, on the road to Burnley. Haven't they just gone up in the Premier League or something? Not that I'm a football fanatic. Are there many bikers that are into football? It seems like most, well, you can't generalise, can you? But most bikers don't seem, I don't know any bikers that are football fanatics. You know, I'd rather be out on their bikes. Am I right or wrong? Now this turn off here is the road to Halifax, which I went on once when I had my X4 Custom. I went down there to Halifax Custom, well, what was it called? Custom Bike Show, I presume. Nice ride actually, through the countryside to Halifax. But I polished my X4 up for about 3 hours the night before, thinking of putting it on the exhibition area. It's that big cobbled square in Halifax, I don't know what they call it. Is it a market? Victorian. Big cobbled square with archways here and there. Oh shit, it's raining again. It's that big cloud, isn't it? Once that cloud passes over, it'll be alright. Trouble is, it's right over Burnley. Burnley. Yeah, anyway, I got to this bike show. It's full. You have to park on the public car park. Oh dear, I was hoping to show my bike off. Well, you can't. So I did that, went round. It's getting worse, isn't it? I'll decide in a moment. If it carries on, I'll have to knock off. Yeah, I went in, parked my bike on the public car park. I had a shuffed around, and then when she buggered off, this rat bag, it turned me away. I said to one of the lads, my bike will fit over there, space for it. Oh yeah, yeah, go on then. So I went back to my bike, put it on the actual arena, and it got lots of attention. You know, not many people have seen an X4 before. CB 1300 Power Cruiser X4. Look at this shit. I did forecast it, I suppose, but that's all you need after a week's work. No chance of enjoying yourself on a bike on a Sunday. Marvellous. I was even working yesterday. I worked on Friday 2 till 10. Or Tuesday to Friday, bank holiday was on the Monday. Shit. Townley Hall straight on. Yeah, I finished work at 10 on Friday and I was again up at bloody 4:45 the morning after for 6 hours on Saturday, which I thought I'd grab while it was going. So Sunday, my only day of biking potential. And it's raining. Still, it's not proper summer, is it? But after what it was like last Friday, you know, lovely. It's just not fair. It isn't fair. It's raining. Right, so we've veer left for Townley Hall, do we? Like I said, it's 20 years since I've been here. Digging road up again, oh god. We're going to be digging road up again for fucking months, causing major disruption. Actually, the early morning rush hour is an absolute nightmare here. When I wasn't working last autumn, I had to come down here to an agency, and hellfire, just bumper trouble. All this was just jam-packed, so I was filtering down, right down to the town centre, and then it was even worse, it's a log jam. So we got a job for you in a sandwich factory, farm foods, preparing food and bagging. Oh, I said right. But next week you'll have to come here every day, a course on food hygiene, a course on manual handling, a course on fire safety. Oh dear. And luckily the other agency I was in then got me this job I'm doing now, although I'm now permanent, a permanent fixture. Yeah, the bloody signs have stopped now, haven't they, for Townley? Where's Townley from here then? Should be another signpost. I've noticed how they do that though. A signpost a place where you want to go, and then when you get a bit further the signposts stop. Where the hell is it? Oh, that's a road into the town centre, that should help, I think. At least it stopped raining for now. Queen Street Mill, Fred Dimner's been there, preserved Victorian mill, and all the weaving looms still there. Still no signs for Townley Hall. So the old bat. Oh, Burnley FC, I know it's near there. I think it's on the same road actually, might be in luck. Oh no, that's a Townley Hall, right. Yeah, Beatles 8 days a week. Right, left by Queen's Park and Thompson Park, and I think signpost stopped again. Left Townley Hall and Burnley FC. Love me, hold me, love me, I ain't got nothing but love, babe. 8 days a week. Oh, that's a nice Victorian pub frontage, Princess Royal. The Turf. Turf Hotel. And Burnley FC, here we are. For anyone interested, this is the Burnley FC football ground, who are now in the Premier League, apparently. Turf Moor. What's that say? Converted pub, it's now a kebab and pizza house. It says Dies down. It says something about being in the Premier League will bring riches to the town. Whether it does or not, I don't know. How did he work that out? It's mean more publicity there for people. So let's all have a look at Burnley and see what's going on there. I don't know, we'll see, won't we? Forester's Arms. See, a lot of people come to Burnley for a night out. There's just dozens and dozens of pubs. I once went on a stag night when a place called the Cat's Whiskers was open, although that's long since gone. Townley Hall, left. It's left, right? Right, left. Nice old frontage. Ice on the road. A sign could be taken down at this time of year, I think, couldn't it? Bit of blue sky, but it's still spots of rain. They're all going the wrong way. It's raining, let's go home. Not stopping here if it's raining. That was a Joe Gladwin voice. Wally Batty with his sidecar. A flask of the summer wine. Oh yeah, Townley Hall. I can't even remember what it looks like on the front. Does it look ancient? When does it date from? I'll stop the camera going and get a few brochures just to read up on it. I'd intended to revisit these places, maybe with Gizzard Goebel if he's interested. You mentioned coming back to Salisbury Hall again this summer. A golf course, mini golf, a little driving range. What does this say? Short stay. No sign of the hall yet, it's behind them trees. Getting into golf never really interested me. You know, I can understand a nice scenic walk because they are set in lovely surroundings, aren't they? But whacking a golf ball, I imagine it's quite tricky. Right, what have we got here? Don't say no bikes, does it? Or no vehicles. Tourist information. Townley Hall. Oh, it is an 18-hole golf course. Boggart Bridge, blah blah blah. Oh, no historical information, so I'll carry on. Yeah, empty your dogs. Oh, the sunshine's come out good. Oh, it does look old, doesn't it? So when does this date from? Look at them old blocks. Must be 16 something or 15 something. Little mullion windows. What vehicle is allowed here? I do, alright. I'm just doing a tour of the historical homes. I've just been to Gawthorpe Hall and they've given me a brochure. And I thought I'd get a brochure from here if there's any historical information about it. Oh yeah. Yeah, I was wondering if you're allowed to get vehicles on here. I'm a bit... Pardon? Yeah, I will, thank you. I went to Gawthorpe because I said 3 years ago they had a classic bike show. On their path like this are all these classic bikes. And oh, good. Right. Yeah, I'll go and park down here then. Right. Thank you very much. You're very polite, weren't you? You didn't say get out of it without biting, you bastard. Oh, they're quite nice, isn't it? Lovely. Another good place to visit if you're in Lancashire. The old disabled spaces. Oh, we've got one there, haven't we? There were loads of people leaving. Right, that's in a circulating with new oil. Yeah. Right, I'll walk up to the house with my helmet on. And then knock it off. Oh, it's a pen display bollocks. No change given. 20 pence an hour. Put a pound in a that's for ticket. No change. Bastards. I suppose if it's helping the upkeep of the house, fair enough, but does it go to a private company of money-grabbing bastards? You know, I'm all for supporting historical houses in Lancashire, or indeed all over the country. I'm going to put that. Right, you go over and look after it somewhere. Under the seats. Is someone going to pinch it? That's not going anywhere, is it? I'll have the keys in. No. I'm going fucking by me. What a dick. I'm not normally dizzy, honest. Dropping my keys when I don't know. I have nothing to say. Well, I have. Like I said, I've been exhausted, working like a silly bugger all week. And then again up for Saturday morning, 6 till 12. Let's look at the fountain. See if I could edit that embarrassing bit out, couldn't I? That's nice, I wonder if it's a gravity fed one. Cherry blossoms, very nice. That rhododendron. There's plenty one of them in my backyard. Long dark green leaves, I'll check. And just a little tiny bush at the moment, £5.99 from Aldi. So there we are, Townley Hall. Ivy growing all over the windows. What's it say? Please use your entrance. It's brightened up a little bit. It's just been a little shower. I'll knock it off now. I'll let you know if there's anything of interest here. Bye for now.